Have you seen such flowers before? Just look how beautiful they are. I bet that you haven't. So you'd better save this pattern and this tutorial. The middle of the flower is worked in the round, but then each petal is worked separately in rows. And after all the petals are worked, a round of single crochets is made around the entire flower. You start with 5 chains which you join into the ring, and then the first round is a round of single crochets worked into the ring. There should be 10 single crochets. And then the second round you start with 3 chains, or you can start with a beginning double crochet. And I really prefer to start with a beginning double crochet, especially in this pattern. But on the symbol chart over here, I actually drew 3 chains. But I greatly recommend that instead of using 3 chains, you actually use a beginning double crochet. And it's really worth of investing your time and learning how to do it. And I actually have a video on my main channel on how to make a beginning double crochet, and I will put that link in the description box below the video. For the second round, it's a round of double crochets, and in each single crochet there are 2 double crochets. After that, you continue crocheting each petal separately. So over here you start the next round with a chain and a single crochet, and you make these chain 3 loops and single crochets. So each petal will take 4 double crochets from the second round. And then you follow the pattern over here, working in the row, and the very last row over here is it's 5 chains, single crochet and 5 chains, and over here a slip stitch. After that you fasten off and hide the thread tail, and you attach the yarn over here, and over the next 4 double crochets you work a petal exactly the same way, and that's how you're gonna work all the rest of the petals. Then you will make a round of single crochets around each petal. So over here into this single crochet you will work 1 single crochet, but into the ends of rows over here you will work 2 single crochets. On the top over here into the chain 5 space you work 6 single crochets, and over here 6 single crochets, and then again 2, 2, 2, 2 and 1. And the same way you will work around the rest of the petals. You can take the screenshot of the symbol chart, or you can purchase it from my Etsy shop for only 99 cents. Thank you so much. I start with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I join them into a ring with a slip stitch. Now I will be crocheting into the ring and over this short thread tail, so it gets hidden under the stitches. First 1 chain, and now into the ring I make 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. The next round is going to be a round of double crochets, so I start with the beginning double crochet. You can substitute it with 3 chains, but I highly recommend learning how to make a beginning double crochet and use it in this pattern. Now into the same stitch where I joined, I work 1 more double crochet. And now into each single crochet around I will work 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, and into the next single crochet again 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and so on. And at the end of the round I join with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. So in this round I must have 20 double crochets. Next I'm starting to crochet the first petal, and I will be crocheting it in rows, not in rounds. I start with one chain, and into the same double crochet where I joined, I work a single crochet. Next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet I work a single crochet. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet I work a single crochet. Again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet a single crochet. So here I have 3 chain 3 loops, and I work them over 4 double crochets. So each petal will be worked over 4 double crochets, and because there were 20 double crochets in the round, there will be 5 petals in total. Now I turn my work, and I will be continuing crocheting this way, crocheting in rows. So I start with the beginning double crochet worked into this first single crochet. Next 1 chain, and into the chain 3 space I work a single crochet. Next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain 3 space a single crochet. Again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain 3 space a single crochet. Now 1 chain, and into the last single crochet I work a double crochet. Again I turn my work, and I will crochet this way. I start with a beginning double crochet again. Into the first single crochet I make a beginning double crochet. Then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into this chain 1 space I work a single crochet. Now 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain 3 space a single crochet. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain 3 space a single crochet. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain 1 space right here I work a single crochet. Now 2 chains, 1, 2, and this is my last double crochet, and into it I work a double crochet. I turn my work. I start the next row with a beginning double crochet worked into the first single crochet. Now 2 chains, 1, 2, but this time I'm going to skip this chain 2 space and work a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I work a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. Now 2 chains, 1, 2, and I'm going to skip this chain 2 space and work a double crochet into the last double crochet. I turn my work, and I start the next row with a beginning double crochet worked into the first single crochet. Now 2 chains, 1, 2. I skip this chain 2 space right here, and I work a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. Now 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. Now 2 chains, 1, 2. I skip this chain 2 space over here and make a double crochet into the last double crochet. I turn my work and I only need to do one more row. I start with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip this chain 2 space and I work a single crochet into the next chain 4 space. Now again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I make a slip stitch into the last double crochet. And now I can fasten off and hide the thread tail, and this is the first petal already finished. Now I'm going to work the rest of the petals in the same way, but let me show you how I join in the thread and how I start working the next petal. So the next petal will be worked over the next 4 double crochets. So I attach the thread into the first double crochet, and here is how I do it. I fold it like this, leaving the short thread tail about 2 inches. And I pull it through, and then I make 1 chain with 2 strands, like this. Next, I'm going to continue crocheting with 1 strand, but I will crochet over this second strand, the short strand, so it gets hidden under the stitches. So first, into the same double crochet, I work a single crochet. Next, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet, I work a single crochet. Next, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet, I work a single crochet. Next, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the next double crochet, again a single crochet. So here I have 3 chain 3 loops worked over 4 double crochets. I turn my work, and now I will continue crocheting this petal exactly the same way as this one, and that's how I'm going to crochet all 5 petals. Here I finished the last petal, so I'm gonna turn. I'm not gonna cut off the thread tail, but now the last step is to make a round of single crochets all the way around. So here's how I'm going to do it. I start with 1 chain, and into this chain 5 space I work 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next chain 5 space also 6 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now over here I have double crochets on the sides, so under each double crochet I work 2 single crochets, and over here 1, 2, and over here 1, 2, and over here 1, 2, and the very first row here was a row of single crochets, so under this single crochet I work 1 single crochet, and next I'm moving on the next petal. Under this first single crochet I work a single crochet, and then under the double crochet over here I work 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, but over here on the top into this chain 5 space I work 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And over here again 6 single crochets, then 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, and that's how I'm going to continue crocheting all the way around, and then I will join over here with a slip stitch to the very first single crochet. And here it is. I made that round of single crochets all the way around, and this is what the flower looks like.